Hello my dear colleagues, and really it's my great pleasure to present this live demonstration on PubMed. And just to save time, please refer back to the previous two lectures. So the first one was on literature review. We spoke about how to pick up keywords from the titles and from the keywords on the research article itself. And then we spoke about the PICO, which is like a checklist, as you remember. So PI for population, I intervention, C comparison or control, and O for outcome. And we have to put the keywords. So first step, picking up keywords, as I said. And then second step, prepare like a shopping list, which is like a PICO, and putting the keywords on PICO. And we are going also to use Boolean operator, and I explain them on detail. And as I said, and is the most frequently used one. So just to save time, refer back to those two lectures. In this lecture, I'm going only to demonstrate on PubMed just to save time. First of all, have a personal account. Please have a personal account and log on with your personal account. So as you see here, the first, as you open the PubMed, this is the first interface. I can go here on advanced and I can write the keywords here, but I prefer to go to the main interface of the PubMed. As you see now, it gives me options. So as you see now, as I write the keywords, it gives me options, urethral stones. So I like this to work here from the this interface. So choose the most specific, the most relevant to you. For example, I'm working on urethral stones, so don't choose kidney and urethral stones. So just try to limit the search as much as you can by using more specific keywords. And then add the second one, which is it will be the tamsulosin, which is alpha blocker. Okay, medication, and then just click enter. And then the third one will be placebo. Okay, choose and then enter. And then the last one, it is the stone passage, and which is the outcome, and then enter. And then as you finish here, just go to this wonderful tool on advanced. Just go down here, you would see the 4 items here added on the search details. So here, the first one, if you click here, the first one, click from here, there is no Boolean operators. So just add to query, and then the Boolean operator come, and then and then finally and. So simply here, go to this box. We added here the PICO items, population, intervention, control, and then finally the stone passage. Okay, so here I don't like to just to click here unless I am in the end. Okay, you can click here. If I click here, it switches me immediately to the PubMed, but just add to history. It is as you're working on, just add to history. So now, as you see now, 25, this is the search article. This is a combination of those. We used those as a keywords. So it yields for me 25 articles. Just click here on the 25 articles, and this is an optimum number really for an original article. So it's not necessary to use those 25 articles, but my advice just to go through them one by one. So for example, I'm reading now this title. For example, it is relevant for me. Just to click here. So the second one, it is relevant for me. I click it. Okay, the third one, for example, it is relevant. I clicked here, I added, and then, okay, I found, for example, here, this medication is not relevant for me. Just here, go inside, if you are in doubt, just to go inside the title, and then read the abstract, quickly, and then decide if you wanted to add them or not. So now I decided not to add this article, and then return back again. Add this one. So we added those, and then skip this one, and then go through, okay, the other articles one by one, as I said. So as you see here, the default of the PubMed just to display 10 articles. But if you wanted to show more results, it comes to you. Okay, so the 25, 25 articles come. So suppose that, okay, I choose 10 articles. So at the end, I choose 10 items selected on the initial search. Just please use this tool. So just here, click from send to, and then clipboard. So here, as you see, the clipboard. So the clipboard here, comes on or appears, and there is 18 articles. Here's a clipboard, and you see here the 10 articles that we choose. the question now, what is the next step? How we're going to make use of those articles? Really, the PubMed gives us wonderful tools here on saving. It will be demonstrated on the next lecture. So as I said, 25 articles really is an optimum number for an original article, but what about if we found more articles? We wanted to limit the search, or sometimes we found the less number and then we wanted to expand the search. Those will be demonstrated on the next lectures. This single slide could summarize how to start on PubMed. First, prepare the keywords, more specific the better, and then formulate them into Pico. And then go to the PubMed, the main interface of PubMed. Put the keywords as formulated with Pico here, and then as you are done, go to Advanced Tool. You will see in Advanced Tool the Pico items and use AND as one of the Boolean operator. This way gives the lowest number of highly relevant articles, and really it's the shortest way to work on PubMed.